Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar gain 0.4% against the yen. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 2.2% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.3% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold fall 0.3% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Russian exports of discounted crude and fuel oil to China have jumped to record levels as the reopening of the world's biggest energy importer gathers pace after the dismantling of COVID-0. Overall flows last month were at the highest at any point since the invasion of Ukraine a year ago, and surpassed the record set in April 2020. The ruble weakened despite increased demand for the currency ahead of month-end tax payments, as President Vladimir Putin prepares to update Russia's political and military elite on the Ukraine conflict. BNB, the native token of the Binance-initiated blockchain network BNB Chain, is losing ground against Bitcoin in the wake of regulatory action against Binance-branded dollar-pegged stablecoin BUSD.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 5-year note auction will be released at 1800 hours GMT. The US Redbook Index at 1355 GMT. Australia's construction work done at 00 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1200 hours GMT. Germany's IFO expectations at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's IFO business climate at 0900 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.